first and foremost, I want to share that, look, we're here to celebrate something very important, which is a $9 million Children First inclusive renovation project for this facility behind us, the Loma Linda Community Center and home of our Therapeutic recreation program.
I have to give a lot of credit to the mayor for asking us all the tough questions about when this was going to get built and whether it was going to be time and on budget. And thanks to our great team at Family and Community Services and also with our contractors and architects, I am proud to say that this is happening.
You can see the different renderings of what this is going to look like when it's done, but it is highly community informed and it has a lot of things that communities want a long time. Number one, a new gymnasium that will also have pickleball and basketball and volleyball. And so we also know pickleball is one of the fastest growing things, so we need indoor and outdoor space, and there's very few here, so all sorts of important things, but also an outdoor amphitheater and an indoor stage. And this has to do with our Therapeutic program and some of the work that they do with respect to putting on different shows and performances.
This is truly a community effort. You all raised this money by pressuring us, by not forgetting about this, not letting us forget about it at every neighborhood meeting, every city council meeting where you text us about the IDO and, oh, by the way, don't forget about Loma Linda. All of those things, they do pay off, and I hope other neighborhoods will take a lesson from what you all have done here for yourselves and for our whole city. And so thank you very much.
This is a community center for our neighborhood. It's not just our therapeutic recreation. We look forward to bringing in so many exciting classes and activities for people of all ages and all abilities. And the other exciting thing is this really is our hub for access and inclusion for the whole city.